Thank you, Lucy. Why, Lucy? Why are you crying, Lucy? Because not your Lucy Torres, you're Lucy Warrens, right? Hmm. Sorry, I misspelled your name. Ah, okay, Triple T, I'm here in your videos, Triple T. I'm gonna play all your videos right here, right now. Okay? Play all your videos. Thank you so much. My friend Excalibur, all your videos is playing here. Thank you. And Triple T, Madi. Where you from, Madi? And also Miss Reynosa. I'm going to visit you, Miss Reynosa. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Thank you. Okay, Reynosa. Ma'am Reynosa, I'm here sa iyong video, Ma'am Reynosa. Ha? Naka-play all ka lang dito, Ma'am Reynosa. But still, ayan, I will play dito din sa aking. Ayan, may upcoming si Miss Reynosa and thumbs up in your upcoming premiere. Thank you all you guys for the support and love. Ayan, dito ako sa iyong Torete ha, Moira de la Torre cover song by Reynosa Official. Okay, Madi has 253 subscribers. Madi, are you still there, Madi? Okay, I'm gonna play all your video here, Madi. All right, Madi? Madi, oh, Madi is from the USA. Madi, good morning, Madi. Shout out, Madi. Okay, Madi, play all here, Madi. I'm gonna play your videos right here. Reynosa Official, thank you so much, Ma'am Reynosa. Ayun, naka-play all lang yan dito guys sa ang inyong mga videos. Hi, Madi. Thank you so much, Madi. Madi, you're there, Madi? Or just leave me, Madi? Thank you to my 4,000 eyes. Thank you so much. Ayan. What the meaning of lose? Lol? Lose? Lol? I think lol is laugh out loud. Lol. That's the meaning of lol. Laugh out loud. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. I'm going through my comment section on Creep. Arkwright. All your videos here playing. Okay, I gotta just play all your videos. All right. Oh my, Lucy Warrens. Okay, Ma'am Renosa, dito ko sa bahay mo, Miss Renosa. Ayan, playing all ka dito, Miss Renosa. Salamat, Miss Renosa. Thank you so much, guys. And please stay connected. Don't forget to like me. Miss Renosa, play all here. Playing your videos right here, guys. Thank you to my 4,000 eyes. How are you? Good morning, Kisnel. Thumbs up number 12. Shout out sa lahat. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Kisnel. Welcome. Please do connect to Kisnel, guys, and make friends.